Hi, good morning. Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to talk about like terms. There are no notes to go along with today's video, so you're just going to watch, and then there will be some questions at the end that you'll type your answer into. All right, so our topic is like terms, things that are alike. In math, I don't know why we don't say alike, but we just say the word like terms, similar terms, things that are the same. So if I have 4 x's and I have 7 x's, those are considered like terms. We have 4 and we have 7 and the variable matches. Okay, I've got 2 x's and then I have a 7 that doesn't have any variable after it. Those are not like terms. I even did them in different colors. This one's pink, this one's blue. This has an x, this does not have an x. Okay, next example, 3 x's and 10 y's. This has a variable x, this has a different variable, so this one not like terms. Okay, now I have a 7 with no letter, a 10y with a letter, not like terms. I have a positive 3 with an x, and I have a negative number with an x, but since they both have x's, yes, they are like terms. This x doesn't have any kind of a number, so it's really a 1. There's a hidden 1. And this x has a 2. So, like terms. Yes, they are like. Negative 6y, negative 2y. They both have the same letter. So, yes, those are like terms. You are only allowed to add or subtract if they are like terms. So I could not add or subtract those. I could not add or subtract those. I could not add or subtract those. Okay, so now let's go up here. I can add these or subtract them. So if I had 4 x's plus 7 x's, 4 apples plus 7 apples makes 11 apples. 4 puppies plus 7 puppies equals 11 puppies. The x and the x stays x, and I take 4 plus 7 to make 11. I can't add those, I can't add those, I can't add those. I can do something with these. They are like terms. 3x minus 6x. 3 apples minus 6 apples would be negative 3 apples. 3 minus 6, and then I stick the letter when I'm done. X and 2x, I can add those. X plus 2x. Remember I said there was a hidden 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. The answer would be 3 x's. These are like terms, so I can add or subtract those. Negative 6 puppies minus 2 more puppies would be negative 8 puppies. Negative 6 and a negative 2, same signs, find the sum, then think bigger. And since they both have a y, I stick a y in the answer. All right, it's your turn to try answering some questions. Example 1, are these like terms? Type in yes, type in no, type in like terms, type in not like terms. Somehow answer the question, are these like terms? The answer is no, these are not like terms. This guy has an x, this guy has a y. Those are not like terms. Question 2. 4x and negative 4x, are those like terms? Type in your answer. The answer is yes, those are like terms. They both have the same variable. This has an x, this has an x. It doesn't matter that these guys don't match. All we care about are, do the letters match, do the variables match? So yes, like term. Example 3, 7 and 7x. Are these like terms? Are these like terms? The answer is yes, those are like terms. Question 4. 4x and negative 4x, are those like terms? Type in your answer. The answer is yes, those are like terms. Example 3, 7 and 7x. Are these like terms? The answer is yes, those are like terms. Example 4, 7 and 7x. Are these like terms? The answer is no. These are not like terms. One of them has a variable. One of them has x, and the other does not have a variable. So, a whole number and a number with a letter makes them not like terms. Alright, I'm going to give you like terms, so all of these are going to be like terms, and you are supposed to add or subtract them and type in your answer. Example 4, 6x plus 10x. What is the answer? Type it in. The answer is 16x. Example 5, 14y's minus 2y's. Type in your answer. 14 minus 2 is 12, so I write 12, and then I stick the y. Example 6, 2x's plus 3 more x's plus 4 more x's. What have you got when you add them all up? 2 plus 3 makes 5, 5 plus 4 makes 9. So in the end, we have 9 x's. Okay, this is your last question. Example 7, you have negative 9m's minus 2m's. A negative 9 and a negative 2. Type in your answer. The final answer is negative 11m. A negative 9 and a negative 2, same signs, find the sum, then think bigger and stick an m after it. All right, that's it. That's everything.